I'm trying to feed my fish, but they don't seem to like bread. But they're all here. You see them? They're so cute. There's a real big one over there. I don't know if you guys can see him. He's just to the right of that big white rock. Oh, I scared him. I feel like I have a tick on me. Something's crawling on me. Well, anyway, these are my little fishies, and I love them, and they're adorable. And they don't eat breadcrumbs. Huh. How come they don't eat breadcrumbs? Wait, he's eating it. You see him? Look at him. Look at him. He got it. Look at he's eating it. Oh, he dropped it. Oh, the other one got it. Oh, the other one got it. Oh, they're eating it. They're eating the breadcrumbs. Okay, so the fish don't eat seeds. I have this like grain bread with seeds, but I'm not eating it, but they are. Oh my gosh, they're so adorable. There's more breadcrumbs, guys. Oh, you don't know how much I love these little fishies. They're so adorable. And I guess they've never been having a reason to be afraid of anything because they're absolutely fearless. My dog runs through here and they don't even care. And if I go in, they swim up. Speaking of dog, there's Hope entertain.
Dada, Hope, he's coming. Look out, little fishies. Look out, he's coming.
Hope likes to experiment with, Hope, you get it. Hope likes to experiment with the current, and she also drops it off that ledge and experiments with gravity. She's a little physicist. See? Look, the fish don't even care. Oh, wait, Captain. She can entertain herself for hours on end with that ball in this creek, playing with the current and playing with gravity. And only mommy throws it sometimes. And the cat was just here. Pee! Pee! All right. It's almost 3 minutes long. I guess that's long enough. Anyway, here's my creek. There's my house that no one will agree to come finish the inside. So I'm still living in my ambulance. And here's my kitty. Here's little P who comes when I call because he's such a good boy. Look at that little kitty. Look at that little water kitty. He's a little water boy. He's my little water boy. Yeah. There's Hopi. And there's my back lot. And a few months ago, if you remember, this was all dead. And now it's all coming back to life. You hear the birds? Hear the creek? Oh, signing off from Middle Tennessee with little Hope and little Peanut.